And I know that people have one question: when will we be starting here in Alberta? So I'm very pleased to announce that the answer is next week, and we're planning specifically to begin on Wednesday, December 16th. With Health Canada's approval of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for use in this country, we are activating our plans to begin vaccinating the first group of healthcare workers. To protect those caring for our most vulnerable, the first 3,900 doses will go to ICU doctors and nurses, respiratory therapists, and long-term care workers throughout the province. These staff are exhausted and they've put themselves at risk for 10 months. They need support and they need to know we're there for them. And I hope that seeing the immunizations begin will show them that there's light at the end of the tunnel. For them, for their patients, and most of all, for all of us throughout the province. And as we learn about how to manage and handle the vaccine, Pfizer is requiring that we begin by administering their vaccine only at the site of delivery at this time. So we can't deliver it to continuing care facilities in this first round in December, but we hope that by covering the staff, we'll start reducing the risk to patients and residents, and will immediately reduce the burden and risk for the staff. The first acute care staff will come from Foothills and Peter Lougheed Centre in Calgary, and from the U of A and Royal Alex hospitals here in Edmonton. We have the facilities and equipment in place to meet the ultra-cold storage requirement for these first shipments at 2 locations in Alberta, 1 in Edmonton, 1 in Calgary. This Pfizer vaccine will require, as you've heard before, 2 doses, approximately 1 month apart, for the vaccine to be effective. Alberta Health Services will be booking the second dose appointments when they administer the first dose. Over the coming days, AHS will be reaching out directly to those who are eligible for this early distribution of the vaccine. The first shots will be given next Wednesday, as I said. And we're still working closely with the federal government to confirm the next shipment of vaccines, but expect it will arrive later in December. We'll share more details as soon as the timing of that shipment is confirmed. Alberta is ready to deliver this vaccine. We're ready to deliver it safely, appropriately, and without delay, thanks to the detailed planning of my ministry's public health team and AHS, with the support of Task Force Leader General Paul Winnick. This early distribution is an important step in our continued fight against COVID. But we cannot take our foot off the gas with our adherence to the public health measures and the restrictions in place. It will be many months until the majority of Albertans are immunized, and until then, we are each other's best defense.